Real space horror stories, 5 terrifying incidents. Space, the final frontier. It calls to us with its beauty, its mystery, its promise of the unknown. But space is also unforgiving. It's a harsh, indifferent void where even the smallest mistake can have catastrophic consequences. Today, we're going to explore the darker side of space exploration. We'll delve into 5 real-life space horror stories, incidents that sent chills down the spines of even the most seasoned astronauts. These are stories of courage, of resilience, but also of tragedy and the ever-present danger that lurks beyond our atmosphere. Get ready, because some of these stories might just keep you up at night. Picture this. June 1971, a time when the world was gripped by the tension of the Cold War. The Cold War is at its peak, with both superpowers flexing their muscles in a show of might and technological prowess. The Soviet Union and the United States are locked in a fierce competition to conquer space, each striving to outdo the other in a race that has captivated the world. The Soyuz 11 mission, carrying 3 brave cosmonauts, has just completed a record-breaking 23 days aboard the world's first space station, Salyut 1. This was a monumental achievement, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Imagine the pride, the anticipation as they prepare for their return, for the hero's welcome that awaits them back on Earth. Families, friends, and the entire nation eagerly await their safe return. They buckle into their capsule, the re-entry module, and begin their descent. Everything seems normal, routine. The cosmonauts are calm, confident, and ready to share their incredible experiences. But here's where the story takes a dark turn, a twist that no one could have foreseen. As the capsule plummets through the atmosphere, a critical valve malfunctions. This tiny component, seemingly insignificant, becomes the harbinger of disaster. This tiny valve, no bigger than a coin, fails to seal properly, allowing precious air to escape. The air inside the capsule, their very life support, begins to leak out into the vacuum of space. The life-sustaining atmosphere they depend on is rapidly depleting. Can you imagine the terror, the desperation as the pressure drops, the air thinning with every passing second? The cosmonauts' training kicks in, but the situation is dire. The cosmonauts, highly trained professionals, realize the gravity of the situation. They spring into action, attempting to rectify the malfunction, but time is not on their side. They struggle, fight for their lives, but the unforgiving reality of space leaves them no chance. The vacuum of space is relentless, and their efforts, though valiant, are in vain. Within minutes, they succumb to the silent killer asphyxiation. The lack of oxygen, the drop in pressure, it all happens so quickly. When the capsule finally touches down and recovery crews race to open the hatch, they're met with a chilling sight. 3 lifeless bodies forever suspended in the moment their journey home turned deadly. The scene is somber, a stark reminder of the perils of space exploration. The Soyuz 11 mission, a testament to human ambition, ends in unimaginable tragedy. The loss is profound, a stark reminder of the risks that come with pushing the boundaries of human achievement. The cosmonauts are remembered as heroes, their sacrifice a poignant chapter in the history of space exploration. Apollo 13, a name that would soon be etched into the annals of history. The mission was supposed to be another triumph for America's space program, a continuation of the success that had begun with Apollo 11's historic moon landing. Another giant leap for mankind, a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. 3 astronauts, Jim Lovell, Jack Swigert, and Fred Hayes, set off on what should have been a routine mission to the moon. They were seasoned professionals, ready to face the challenges of space travel. But space, as we've learned, has a way of reminding us who's really in control. The vast, unforgiving void holds many secrets and dangers. 56 hours into the flight, disaster strikes. The calm routine of the mission is shattered. An oxygen tank explodes, crippling the spacecraft. The explosion is catastrophic, sending shockwaves through the vessel. Imagine the deafening roar, the jolt that shook the spacecraft, the alarms blaring, warning lights flashing. The astronauts are thrust into a life-or-death situation. The command module, their lifeline, is rapidly losing power and oxygen. The systems they depend on are failing one by one. The moon, their original destination, is no longer an option. Their mission has changed from exploration to survival. Stranded hundreds of thousands of miles from Earth, their only hope for survival is to use the lunar module, a small craft designed for landing on the moon as a lifeboat. This module was never intended for such a purpose. The world watches, holding its breath as these three men, facing impossible odds, work tirelessly with mission control to improvise, to innovate, to cheat death itself. They ration their water, carefully measuring every drop. They endure freezing temperatures, huddling together for warmth in the cold, dark void of space. And they overcome countless technical challenges, each one a potential death sentence. The ingenuity of the astronauts and the ground crew is put to the ultimate test. Their ingenuity, their courage, their sheer will to live becomes a beacon of hope in the face of despair. Every small success is a step closer to home, and against all odds, they make it back, battered, bruised, but alive. Their return is a triumph of human spirit and teamwork. Apollo 13, instead of a successful lunar landing, becomes a testament to the human spirit's ability to persevere, to overcome even the most daunting challenges. It is a story of survival, ingenuity, and the unbreakable will to return home. Chapter 3. The Challenger Disaster, A Nation Mourns, January 28, 1986. A crisp, clear morning at Cape Canaveral. Excitement ripples through the crowd gathered to witness the launch of the Space Shuttle Challenger. On board are 7 astronauts, including Krista McAuliffe, a school teacher chosen to be the first civilian in space. Millions, including school children across the country, watch on television as the shuttle roars off the launch pad, a symbol of American ingenuity and ambition reaching for the stars. But 73 seconds into the flight, tragedy strikes. A plume of smoke appears, then a fiery explosion tears the Challenger apart, transforming a moment of national pride into one of collective shock and grief. The world watches in disbelief as the unthinkable unfolds on live television. The shattered remains of the shuttle, along with the dreams and aspirations of 7 brave souls, plummet into the Atlantic Ocean. The investigation that follows reveals a fatal flaw in the shuttle's design, a failure that could have been prevented. The Challenger disaster serves as a stark reminder of the unforgiving nature of space exploration, the ever-present risks that accompany our quest to push the boundaries of human achievement. It's a day forever etched in our collective memory, a reminder that even in the pursuit of progress, tragedy can strike in an instant. Chapter 4. Spirit, Stranded on Mars. In the vast, desolate landscape of Mars, a robotic explorer named Spirit roamed, sending back breathtaking images and invaluable data. For years, Spirit diligently explored craters, climbed hills, and braved dust storms, exceeding all expectations. But Mars, like space itself, is unforgiving. In 2009, while navigating a seemingly innocuous patch of Martian soil, Spirit's wheels broke through a crust, becoming hopelessly mired in soft sand. Imagine this little rover, millions of miles from home, its wheels spinning uselessly, its mission coming to an abrupt halt. Engineers on Earth worked tirelessly, devising ingenious strategies to free Spirit from its sandy trap. They sent command after command, hoping for a sign, for any indication that their efforts were successful. But Spirit remained stuck. As months turned into years, Spirit's predicament became a poignant reminder of the challenges of robotic exploration, of the fragility of even the most robust machines in the face of the unknown. Eventually, with its solar panels choked by dust, unable to recharge, Spirit fell silent. Its mission concluded prematurely. Though its journey ended in silence, Spirit's legacy lives on, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the enduring allure of exploring the cosmos. Chapter 5. Mysterious Sounds on the ISS. An unsolved space mystery, high above Earth, orbiting our planet at incredible speed, floats the International Space Station, a marvel of engineering and international collaboration. This floating laboratory is a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of cooperation among nations. It's a place of constant activity, of groundbreaking research and breathtaking views. Astronauts from different countries work together, conducting experiments that push the boundaries of science and technology. But even in this technological marvel, a chilling mystery lingers. The ISS, with all its advanced systems and rigorous protocols, is not immune to the unknown. Astronauts aboard the ISS have reported hearing strange, unexplained noises, often described as metallic knocking or scratching sounds, emanating from outside the station. These sounds have been heard during various missions, adding to the enigma. Imagine yourself strapped into your sleeping bag, the hum of machinery a constant companion, when suddenly you hear it, a distinct, sharp sound like something tapping on the hull of the station. The isolation of space amplifies the eeriness of these noises. These sounds, captured on audio recordings, have baffled engineers and scientists back on Earth. Despite extensive analysis, the source of these noises remains elusive. What could be causing them? Theories abound, but none have been definitively proven. Is it the expansion and contraction of the station's metal structure as it orbits between the extreme temperatures of sunlight and shadow? The temperature fluctuations in space are extreme, causing materials to expand and contract. Or could it be something else? The vastness of space holds many possibilities, some of which we may not yet understand. Space debris, perhaps, colliding with the station? The ISS is constantly at risk from micrometeoroids and orbital debris, which could potentially cause such sounds, or something even more inexplicable. The unknown nature of these sounds fuels speculation and curiosity. The mystery remains unsolved, adding an eerie layer to the already isolated and extraordinary experience of living in space. The vast emptiness outside the station contrasts sharply with the confined quarters inside, heightening the sense of mystery. These unexplained sounds serve as a reminder that for all our technological advancements, the cosmos still holds secrets, mysteries that whisper to us from the void, challenging our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The quest to uncover these secrets continues, driving us to explore further and deeper into the unknown. Outro, what haunts you? These are just a few real-life space horror stories, tales of courage and tragedy, of the known and the unknown that we encounter as we venture beyond our planet. Each story underscores the risks, the challenges, and the awe-inspiring wonders of space exploration. Which one shocked you the most? Which story sent shivers down your spine? Or perhaps you know of another space mystery, another chilling tale from the cosmos that you find even more terrifying. Let us know in the comments below. And next time you look up at the stars, remember, for all its beauty, space holds secrets. And sometimes, those secrets can be truly terrifying.